and welcome to my channel page. I figure you're here because you saw a video of mine that you liked and you clicked on it and then you were like, let me go see what she has. Let's be honest with you guys, like my channel states, this is my life's, my loves, and I'm Lacey. So I don't know what video you clicked on to bring yourself to this page, but I will say this. I love to do just about anything and everything. I DIY, I homeschool, I am a mom, I have children, I have a religion, and I have a whole bunch of hobbies. This page has it all. And I'm not afraid to say that. I'm not afraid to have a whole bunch of different hobbies. I believe that all of us have multiple gifts and talents. It just takes a little bit of tutoring and sometimes trial and error to figure out which ones we excel at. So, welcome to my life, my loves, and I'm Lacey. Click the subscribe button and we'll become fast friends. See you in the next video.